Today I'm going to show you how to build a small yet effective inside growing tent. Now this tent I'm actually not going to be used for growing. In fact, I'm going to be using it for drying. Well, why is that? Well, that's because, well, I need a dark place. Okay, I need something that has an exhaust, possibly an intake, and I need something that I can fit right above that big tent there.
Help me!
So, this tent is going to be a 2 by 2 by 3 foot, or actually I believe it's like 34 inch, just a few inches shy of 3 foot, but it's going to go sideways above that tent because I don't have a lot of space here. Now I need to dry my big buds in my small space. So let's go. Well, here it is, guys. This is the box. It's not very big. It's not sure how they fit a 2 foot by 2 foot by 32 inch tent in there, but we will find out, I guess, huh? It is a cheaper one. Only cost about 40 bucks. Anyways, I'm gonna go put you all up here and start building.
I'm just opening the box and I'm going to show you what's inside. And here's the exterior, and here's the tent poles. They're in 2 different packs, one for the top and bottom and one for the sides. And here's the tent corners. There should be 8 of them. And here's the manual. And guys, please read the manual. I'm now assembling all the poles for the top and bottom, and then I'm going to connect them into the corners. All they do is press in and just make sure that one of the sides is pointing up. And now I'm putting together the side poles and just pressing them into the corners. And now I'm undoing the canvas and I'm finding the bottom and I'm going to try to stretch it underneath. Now there's a reason for doing this right now. Okay, so I'm tucking it into the corners, making sure it's good, and here we go.
Okay, so I've stopped here real quick to give you a little tip. What I found in small spaces is to get the frame built, at least the bottom and maybe a couple poles in, and then get the outside, the canvas, on the bottom. Okay, get it there. It's easier. Now what I'll do is I'll finish the top. If I was building a taller tent, I would still do this, and I would keep building the top half of the tent, or the frame, and then pull the canvas over. In small spaces, this is the easiest way that I found. So back at it.
I've already built the top frame with the corners, and I'm just pressing them into the sides and pulling the rest of the outside canvas over and getting it zipped up. Look at that. And 2 hanger poles.
All right, guys, here it is. It's a melon farm. Like I said, it's a 2 by 2 by 34 inch. There is one thing off the bat I noticed that I really kind of don't like, and that is the fact to unzip it, you must undo this Velcro. So that is one thing I don't like about it, but I do like the window. I mean, it is pretty cool. I always wish the zipper was outside of the Velcro. But other than that, it's got everything I need. That's an import. This is going to be exhaust. There's going to be an out vent. So, okay. Also, as you can see, it did come with the little 2 foot hanger poles also, which I'm going to use to hang, well, dry herb. I put some clips or S hooks on those, and then just hang the branches as best as I can. And that will be another video in the future. All right. Now is to get it up there. So here we go.
Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you the finished product here of the grow tent. And there it is. And there it is in use. So I wanted to show that to you also. Now, you see up here, there we go. There's those hooks. And then here is our sour diesel. So, yeah, let's get a good, nice look at, the kind of great things you can put in just a tent like this. Just turn sideways, just on top of my other grow tent. You know, maybe I'm lucky to have an 8-foot ceiling and I can do this, but I'm just using what space I have. It's not about having a tall ceiling. Really, it's about using what space you have. So this is actually also drying pretty decently in here. This has been in here for about 2 days now, and the leaves are still kind of wet, kind of moist. Now they're draping over the buds, which is what I wanted. So, dry tent, flower tent, dry tent, on top of flower tent. Small space. Help me! Small tent. Here you go. Well, that's it for the dry tent build. So I mainly just wanted to showcase what I'm doing in my small space up here, you know. So it's just repurposing things or getting things and repurposing them for what you need and what you need to do. You know, that's all it is. I took an indoor garden tent that's made to keep light in, and I'm keeping light out. So that's what I'm doing. I hope you enjoyed this. Give me a like or a subscribe. You know, that's all you got to do to support this channel. That's it. All right. Have a good one.